Once you know that you are kind of average, above average, life becomes very easy. All you have to do is just sustain yourself in that bracket. So I did one stint with the British High Commission as a commercial head for automotive. So India is in a very, very sweet spot right now. I've been very fortunate that I had that opportunity to experience working and living in 3 different countries, right? I'm writing a book called Money on Wheels. When India is a huge market on its own, right? Forget India being a base in terms of supplying to rest of the world, as an export market. I would say that, follow your passion or...
Can you give us an understanding of what does the Indian automotive industry today look like? First question. And second, what do you expect in the short term, medium term, and the long term for the Indian automotive industry?
So music has kind of been a very important part of my existence, even during engineering days. So I had a band right from engineering days onwards. In Jamshedpur, I had a band. That was there. I was also, challenging myself to wean away from my comfort zone, from being too close to the family all the time. And Germany, as you know, is a powerhouse of the automotive world. So then US government, they passed a law saying that you have to have a system which can measure the tire pressure. If you can come up with amazing features, functionalities, people will go for it. Engineering I got not because I was looking forward to do engineering. So I had to take a choice on that same day whether should I go for an assured career in engineering or should I appeal for medicine and take a chance. I wanted to get into software, but because my background was in Tata Motors, so Aisher paid a lot at the campus. In Satyam Computers, which was a proper IT and IT-enabled services company, which was making its mark in the global IT world. So they had just set up an automotive business unit. I got hired by Ford Motor Company that time, and I moved to Chennai from Delhi.
What kind of curriculum do the international schools follow? I think MBAs make the best startup founders. So how many companies do you have on your...
In all, I have had about 16 or 17 companies which have worked with me in different...
How many currently?
Currently about 8, 7, 8.
Wimbledon में थोड़ी ना music career बनता है.
We have recently managed to get one song recorded. In retrospect, I would say whatever happened for the best.
And what was the year when you first moved to Germany then?
2004. So it was time for me to do what I really wanted.
Because most of our audience is younger audience, and people are graduating, getting a job placement in Germany, or they work with Infosys or Satyam or Wipro for a couple of years, and now they're moving to Germany. What advice will you give them?
First of all, having an open mind to not force. In India, I was doing something like this. I will continue to do like that.
So what's a point solution?
The point solution is where you are developing something which is very specific to that industry problem, to the industry's problem. My stint with Tata Motors, which was the first job, probably was the most amazing experience I've had when it comes to working in a corporation.
What did top salary mean back in the day? What did average salary mean in terms of lakhs per annum?
So I think I had 1.2 lakhs or 1.3 lakhs, something like that.
What is Dev's future? What is your current and future?
The longest journey I've made is 72 hours between my home and IIMB. At any point in life, when you feel that, things are not working out, probably there's a silver lining beyond that. You have to just wait and let it unfold.